And we're back to learning Photoshop in year day 180. Let me show the maximum filter. Copy the original, press Ctrl J, go to filter, other, and there it is. It has only one slider, but also a drop down for squareness and roundness. And what it does is, if you increase the radius, it's gonna pick the neighboring pixels of the brightest parts, and it's gonna basically choke the image. In simple terms, it's gonna expand the bright parts and suppress the darker ones. And you can also make that round to create, for example, a bokeh effect. At some point, it's gonna become very intense. So if you wanna have realistic results, only use that sparingly. Up to 5 pixels for this size should be the max. As you can see, when I go to, for example, 10, that's already too much. But if you want to have more abstract results, you can even go higher than that. And this is how you can use the maximum filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.